Welcome to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can create a group on Snapchat. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, and let's move on. And remember, what happens when you create a group in Snapchat is basically if you create a group, then if you send a snap to that group, then everybody who's on that group can watch your snap. Alright, you don't have to send snap to each person individually if you create a group, and you don't even have to write messages individually to everybody. You can just write a message on the group and anybody or everybody in the group can see it. Alright, so that's the advantage of it. So let me show you guys. First step, click a photo, click a random photo, alright, using Snap's camera. After you do that, click on send to. Once you click on send to, at the top over here you can see the little person with plus icon at the top right corner of your screen. You can click on it, and at the top you can see name group. You can name this group. So I'm gonna name this group over here, it's called group. I'm gonna name this group, and from over here I can choose whoever I want. So I'm gonna choose Witchy Kevin, I'm gonna choose Lara Morgan over here. I'm gonna choose just these two. Alright, so I'm just gonna choose these two in the group, but you can choose however much person you want to add. Alright, that person just needs to be friends with you on Snapchat. Once you do that, you can click on create group, and basically your group has been created. So I'm sending this snap on the group, so I'm gonna click on this, and as you guys can see, a group has been created with me sending a snap on that group. Alright, so yeah, that's basically how simple it is to create group on Snapchat. And if you want to leave a group, you can just click on the name of the group, click on the three dot, click on leave group, and click on leave, and basically you left the group as well. That's how simple it is. So hope you guys understand how to create a group on Snapchat. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.